Hello. This is Alvin here from TradeYourEdge.com, and welcome to our weekly market watch. Right in front of me, I have a weekly chart on the Euro US dollar. For those who have been following me for a while, I have been watching this major this pair for a long time. I'm looking at a slightly different perspective now, which is where I'm going to draw a trend line on a much bigger time frame, which is to do something like this, and put it somewhere like here. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing on a much bigger time frame. Now, for those who are new to trend lines, what I'm trying to do is to find as many touches as possible. As you can see, this is some would argue that this is where you can really make any trend lines yourself, because everything is just so vague. The way I look at trend lines is I look at as many touches as possible. So in this case, there's one touch, two, three, four. Okay, four touches. I'm more worried about the top. For those who are curious, I'm looking at price action since 2008. For the last 12 years, price has been just moving downwards. In fact, I would even argue that this is a rather difficult one, because here I have a few price action um, testing that. Meanwhile, at the bottom, I'm having something like this, uh, sort of like a trend line. To be honest, I'm not too concerned at the moment, because I'm looking at how the upper trend line is working, right? So let me zoom in, and this is what I'm seeing. For those who have been watching, following my commentaries, I was looking for price to break above this blue color line here, where price was indeed uh, ranging very strongly. Let's see. And what I'm looking for is that price will have broken up. As of last week, price broke up very strongly, and price is moving higher. How far this would go, I have no clue. I'm not here to predict the future, but what is clear to me is price has broken up, is moving higher, potentially touching upper trend line, potentially not too crucial. If I find a Fibonacci line here, it's testing the 62% mark. A few resistance at the same place. What am I looking for? Well, price action is telling me that this is very bullish and long bullish bar. Uh, this this uh, this bar here, for those who can see, uh, it has the close very close to the high. That means market is very bullish. As proven, price went higher in the most recent week. Will price go even higher? I can't tell. This trend line is there. Is it going to break it higher? Not sure. What I foresee this could happen is it could either go higher, that's the first scenario, and then pull back to do a retest before it goes higher. So it will go up above the red line, come back, retest it, and go higher. Two, it will pull back to this purple line, retest, and go higher. So these two are the potential scenarios. Of course, thirdly, if this trend line is valid, it would just come back down below the purple line, uh, go below the purple line, retest it to go further lower. These are the few scenarios I see. As you know, this is a weekly chart. Um, Too many possibilities. What I'm going to do is be in the present. At this point in time, I can see there is a bearish bar. I see a short-term pullback or correction. Uh, when I see the correction, it might go lower, go higher, no idea. That's that's what I would be doing. Next 1 or 2 days, I'll see the correction. If I can find a trade, maybe I'll trade, maybe not. we'll see. Most likely, if I can see a nice pattern, I'll take it short and put a very nice or tighter close there. Okay, that's me. Next, we have pounds, pound dollar. Looking at the weekly chart, for those who have been following me, yes, I have a descending triangle. Looking at price, looking at price now, price has gone up, broke out of the channel. Would it go higher? Not sure. This week is where price will be testing. It's very nice and coincident that both the pound dollar and the euro dollar is testing a resistance to go long. Not sure. Again, I would see what would happen from there. Last but not least, we have our gold. Gold has very nicely shot up and made a new high. Uh, this high has been there for a long time. What I foresee happening now is that price will most likely come back, retest this purple line and go higher, or it could just continue to go higher. And the next marker, this next psychological mark will be the 2000 mark. Right, this is a very big number. For those who haven't traded big numbers, do watch out. I foresee some real nice price action happening at that level. Coming back to daily chart, price is going north. It has been continuing north non-stop, so it might be a train that is going on full speed right now. Right now, last but not least, euro pound. This is my backup currency pair to watch. Right now, no price action. Um, I wouldn't go too far ahead to say that there's any trade setups. This is what I foresee happening is that I would take it short if it tests the ceiling right up here at 0.93. Until then, it's not my thing. I would just keep watching. For now, keeping an eye on euro dollar, pound dollar, and gold as the commodity pair. Right? Thank you very much for watching this. If you have any questions, make sure to post it at the bottom. Subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and hope to hear from you soon. All right? Thank you, and have a happy trading week.